If you want to see the true measure of a man, watch how he treats his inferiors, not his equals. I sometimes have a tendency to walk on the dark side. Indifference and neglect often do much more damage than outright dislike. I do believe something very magical can happen when you read a good book. Failure means a stripping away of the inessential. Never be ashamed. There's some who'll hold it against you, but they're not worth bothering with. I would like to be remembered as someone who did the best she could with the talent she had. You sort of start thinking anything's possible if you have got enough nerve. There are some things you can't share without ending up liking each other. It is impossible to live without failing at something, unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you have failed by default. It takes a great deal of bravery to stand up to our enemies, but just as much to stand up to our friends. Whether you come back by page or by the big screen, Hogwarts will always be there to welcome you home. Secretly, we're all a little more absurd than we make ourselves out to be. I think you have a moral responsibility when you've been given far more than you need to do wise things with it and give intelligently. It is our choices that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities. What's coming will come, and we'll just have to meet it when it does. The truth, it is a beautiful and terrible thing, and must therefore be treated with great caution. Death is just life's next big adventure. Humans have a knack for choosing precisely the things that are worst for them. Fear of a name increases fear of the thing itself. The middle class is so funny. It's the class I know best, and it's the class where you find the most pretension. So that's what makes the middle classes so funny. I remember the first time I heard a teenager say LOL. Just what? But it means laugh. Why don't you just laugh? What are you doing? Harry Potter gave me back self-respect. Harry gave me a job to do that I loved more than anything else. There was a point where I really felt I had penniless divorcee lone parent tattooed on my head. I think you're working and learning until you die. It does not do to dwell on dreams and forget to live. We do not need magic to transform our world. We carry all the power we need inside ourselves already. There's always room for a story that can transport people to another place. If you don't like to read, you haven't found the right book. What's most important in a friendship? Tolerance and loyalty. The stories we love best do live in us forever.